Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to mute push notifications on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, managing notifications has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in to see all the available options. Next, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on that icon to access your account settings. Once the menu opens, you'll want to choose Settings. This will lead you to various options related to your account. From here, navigate to Notifications. This section is where you can control all the notifications you receive from Instagram. Now, you'll see a list of different notification categories. Click on Push Notifications. This is where all your push notification settings can be customized according to your preferences. Finally, to mute all push notifications at once, simply click on Pause All. This action will temporarily stop all notifications from interrupting you, giving you the peace you need while using your PC. And there you have it. You've successfully muted push notifications on Instagram using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.